we're playing with dill today on the farm. Oh, what better time to do it. I love pickles and I love pickled beans. And we use the same recipe because we like dill pickles and we like dill pickled beans. And they work great. If you've got straight, smaller beans, which aren't very seedy, if you want to call them that, full of, oversized beans, and you've got smaller cucumbers like baby dills and stuff, all you got to do is get yourself some chopped up onion, a little bit of garlic powder, and some pickle crisp, and you are all set to go to make a nice canned pickle recipe out of dill, either in pickles or beans. You can use either one. I posted my recipe here for you guys so you guys can see it. I like fresh dill, but you can use dill seed and you can use frozen dill too. I like to put, depending upon the size of the jar, for like a big quart, I'd put a quarter of a teaspoon of garlic in there, and then I'd probably put like an eighth or so of, probably even maybe a quarter I would on the pickle crisp, and then a big old onion head, and then some dill on the bottom of it, weed and head sometimes. And then, of course, if you're doing pints, or even half pints, you just got to change the recipe for it. And then you stuff them in, and here I'm stuffing the pickles in. I like to get them in tight because there's always space once you hot water bath can, if you know what I mean. So I like to shove them in. If I get a big one, I will slice it. I actually like them whole better. But, sometimes if they're fat, they just ain't going to fit any other way if you want to kind of jam them in. So here I'm doing a jar of pickles here. I'm going to at least get 1 quart here because they're just starting for the year. Got an onion on top. Grab some dill, stick that back on top, and I do crush the dill in there. I like a real strong dill flavor. Just get it in enough, And then here I'm taking one of the smaller jars in the pint size, and I'm starting to lay the beans in. And if I lay them all in the same way, I get more beans in a jar. We've taken the little tips off each end of the beans, just like we did the cukes. The cukes are washed, the beans are washed. We took the ends off and we stuff them into the jar. There is no difference between my dill pickled beans and the dill pickles pickled. They're all the same. The brine is even the same. It's basically 8 cups of water to 4 cups of vinegar and a half a cup of salt. And I like to use pickling salt because I don't like any of that crap in my salt in my brine. And again, shove all this in with a nice piece of onion and a dill on top, and then your pickled beans are ready. Once I had that brine boiling, brought it over, filled the jars up to about a quarter of a headspace. You can get away with a half, but I like a quarter on these. I think it just does better in the canner. And then it was off to the canner. Boiling hot water, not like a raging boil, just more like a slow rolling boil for 10 minutes. I do the same for my quarts and my pints when it comes to my pickles because they do fine. They're in vinegar. It does great. Everything looks a little shriveled for about the first day or so, and then in about 6 months, these will have such a nice dilly flavor, folks. They will be perfect. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy your pickles this summer.